Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, I'm going to be replacing a relay. The relay is multiple relays in a car. They're for everything to convert voltage to a lower voltage, and activates usually sometimes by a switch. So here is my cargo engine fuse box, and I'm going to take the cover up. Just pushing down on the tabs and move it over. In this case, our rear washer pump has no power to it, and the fuse is good. It's intermittent power, shall I say. So located, this is my fuse, the relay for the rear washer pump. So I'm just going to grasp it and pull it straight out. And here I have my replacement relay from 1A Auto. They're identical pins, markings, there's gauges on them. Tells you the numbers of which switch powers which. It's mounted on the side in a nice display, same as the OE. Now to install it, I'm just going to line it right up, push it down, replace my cover, and then recheck my rear washer pump.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.